processes and the elements that make the phones. Our design utilizes the natural properties of the materials with as fewer parts as possible, making each part work harder, which in turn results in higher quality. We design with the purpose of the device in mind. Monitoring should adapt to the user, not the other way around. This is naturally more time-consuming. For example, we use almost an hour to machine a single device from a solid block of aluminium. CNC manufacturing technology allows us to achieve a full 3D softness, which makes the product feel absolutely beautiful in your hands. The feeling is further enhanced by polishing the phone for no less than 5 times, putting it through 2 separate anodizing processes, taking nearly 12 hours to complete. Design is not all about ideas. A perfectly finished product is only achieved by continuous testing. We expose our products to over 600 different tests, around 50 of these solely focused on reliability. Everyone should be able to get our very best with everything we do. This is the Nokia philosophy.